Recently, we there Uptown Mondays, and I feel somebody brush against my foot. And when I look down, I see somebody pass me, and I say, wait, I want to go, what that? Is that little youth in the park or what? They made the selector big up, Grung Gawd. So then I say, oh, that I got Grung Gawd. What go, brother? So you them called Grung Gawd?
Yeah, man. He said one, man.
That I go, Grung Gawd. First of all, make we start it up. Tell me 3 words to describe your life.
3 to describe my life. Me, full of self-confident.
Yeah.
I never give up. I have high self-esteem.
Where your confidence and high self-esteem come from?
My struggles. Yeah, man, I'm past motivate me. My struggles, things that I go through in life, motivate me to go better. Is it? I'm born and grown, man.
What is life like in Tower Hill?
Yeah, you know, we have a strong and thing, man. If I know I lose my mother, I just keep on a push.
So your mother was one of your main caregivers?
Yeah, man.
Who will help you out now?
Yeah, man, my sister them know there, I have a lot of friends.
My sister, the community love you different though?
Yeah, man, the whole community love me, man. Them say me, I get a paddock.
Yeah, true. Why you think them love Grung Gawd so much?
Because of me I always represent Tower Hill and I go. Yeah, man, I'm my face and central attraction and everything.
Yeah.
Is it?
And speaking of love, we see all of a party we're going good.
Yeah, man.
Tell me a little bit more about it.
Yeah, man, I tell you say, it's August 10, man.
Yeah. So the community support the thing though?
Yeah, man, the whole community come out fit, man. The whole community. You know, so me can't really work with myself for more time. But there, I'm alone there. All my friends going out to work. I'm alone there, is it? So I saw me have to do my thing, is it?
And we see so you're in the streets like that, okay? We see you at the weekly party them, you know what I mean?
7 days a week, man.
How difficult is it for you for, you know what I mean, for kind of maneuver yourself when you're in them party there? Because enough people now expect to see you on the ground them way there, you know what I mean? Worse all the skanker them more time get mad in the party. How you manage?
I tell you, me know for do my thing.
Yeah,
man, I tell you, me know watch people. I foot watch, man. Yeah, man, foot movement watch, man.
So you watch the foot movement when you go through the party there?
Yeah, man, I always watch the foot movement, so you know, can't get stepped, man.
You find it difficult more time for in the streets so much?
No, man, from a bar in the street, you know.
Yeah.
Man, from a bar in the street, man. I love the street.
When we're there Uptown Mondays, one night, we hear them stop the party and we say, you know what I mean? We see Father Witty come and say, you know, he might even apologize to the guests and say, we know so no one party, but I have to do this. Him say, you know, I watch the Uptown Mondays DVD and see upon it. And him have to send you in a wheelchair for you. You know what I mean? And him present you with a wheelchair that how it make you feel for no
man. Oh man, and a lot of love for get the wheelchair still, man. Big up Father with him, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. A long time I get interview, you see it. A long time out in the world come back, we have hope.
Yeah.
And Julius give me a big feature.
Yeah.
Me and him a juggle ball and thing. Yeah, man, a long time. Then I street, everybody know me, man.
Yeah. So it feel good to get them recognition and everything.
Yeah, man. People, I drive people see me in the street, I want to take picture with me and thing, man.
Last time when we were reason, you tell me say, although you appreciate the wheelchair, sometimes you know you still prefer to move around without
man,
it.
Cause more time with the wheelchair, I feel useless. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and time the palm I'm going move different.
Yeah.
It's like I'm 15 with everybody.
Yeah. So you feel like
man.
the wheelchair give you a limit.
Yeah. But a good more time in the weather and bad weather and things. That's it.
Yeah. So all in the like Migla the day now when the ground hot them way there, how you manage?
As I tell you, me no really when I come out that day, man, cause I tell you say, you know, I say I come out that day, cause I'm alone there, all I'm for them gonna work, I'm stay and watch TV.
Yeah.
So I come out at night time and party.
Bounty Killer is original Grung Gawd, and you know you come get the name Grung Gawd. Bounty, I'll post you up on them thing there.
Yeah, man, big up Bounty Killer, man. A lot of love him show me in the streets, man. A lot of love I make me get a lot of respect to. Yeah, man, Bounty Killer post me and say, him name Grung Godzilla, me name Grung Badzilla.
At what point you as a man now we don't have 2 foot now, at what point you decide to, you know, say, I want to play that, but we can do this?
Because me tell you say, I want to fit into everything everybody can do.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I fit into everything everybody got.
So you know, make them think they stop
Not
you.
gonna stop me. Tell me can do everything where you can, but just can't walk on my foot.
We are say the great Shelly Belly, even your family too.
Yeah, man. Shelly Belly, I'm family, man. Big up anywhere there in Shelly Belly.
Yeah.
A lot of love, though.
You achieve a lot already, you know what I mean, in your time. You don't know, as I said, the world know you come on TV, how much time you do, much interview, Prime Minister acknowledge you, you know what I mean, all these things, your promote party. Is there anything, what next for Grung Gawd?
My next Grung Gawd, me tell you, say, I love the music, you know, so I don't go into the music industry.
So you want
Producing.
You want to produce?
Yeah, man, I love the music, man. As I tell you, I have one rhythm named Wheelchair Records.
A rhythm?
Yeah, but all my logo, man, my wheelchair department, man, but we never serious, never have the patient, but they're too young.
Yeah. So you ready for it again now?
Yeah, man, I'm ready, I know, man.
So the artist them for link up now?
I love it, you know, and that's the money I love.
Yeah.
Me have for your music, man.
Grung Gawd, last thing I want to tell the people and what most makes Grung Gawd intense.
As I tell you, say, the struggles that I go through, I tell you, say, lose my mother. As a young age, going to school and things, man, I know. A lot of pressure that, man, I know, say. But no, that stop me. Man, no, that stop me, no at all stop me.
So
my struggles, yeah, man, determination, my struggles push me to better.
Yeah.
Every time I remember, when I go through more, better than that, I know that happen, them thing happen again.
That's a one truly inspirational story. Grung Gawd, aka Grung Bad.